How to find your Natwest shortcode. So guys, if you're not able to find your Natwest shortcode, this video is definitely going to fix a problem. So first of all, you have to just visit this Natwest website. On the top right, you will find an option of search bar, and here you will get this option of short. So just click on it and you have to just wait for a few seconds till it load. If you don't find anything in the bottom, just again click on here, and here you will get this option, where can I find my account number and shortcode. Just click on it and you have to just wait for a few seconds. By the way, if you're into this mobile application, if you just want to view your shortcode over your mobile phone, here you have to first of all install NatWest mobile application. Tap on the account you want to see, scroll down to the account setting, then tap view or share account details, and tap view account details to see your account number and shortcode. It's very easy to do it over the mobile phone, same as well as it's very easy to do it over the online banking. So first of all, you have to visit this NatWest, and here you have to log in. So first of all, you have to enter your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. Then you have to enter your card number and click on continue. Once you are signed in, right here you will get this option of select the account you wish to view for the account summary screen, which will be always on the top right. Then you will get this option of view account details. You will see your account number and shortcode listed on the screen. It's very easy to do it. Also, you can also find them on your checkbook. If you have the physical checkbook, then it's great, it is available on there, your paying in book and your bank statement. So you can also view your bank statement from your email or by logging into the NetWest website. I hope you found this video very useful.